Writing the equation of a line in slope-intercept form when given 2 points on the line. What is the equation of a line written in slope-intercept form that contains the points 4, 32 and 8, 29? In this example, we don't have the slope or the y-intercept, so we have to start by finding one of those two values. We know that if we have 2 points on a line, we can use the slope formula to help us find the slope. So we can begin by taking this value and this value, using our slope formula, m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and finding the slope. This is my x1 point and my y1 point, my x2 point and my y2 point. I would have 29 minus 32 over 8 minus 4. 29 minus 32 gives me negative 3. 8 minus 4 gives me 4. So my slope of this line is negative 3 over 4. So I have the equation partially done now. Y equals mx plus b has the slope of negative 3 over 4, and now we want to find the b. In order to do that, I can substitute in a point that I know is on the line, the x value and the y value of a point that I know is on the line, to find what b is. In this example, I have 2 points that are on the line, here and here. So I can use either point. If I use x as 4 and y as 32, I would have 32 equals negative 3 over 4. My x value is 4 plus b. 32 equals negative 3 when I multiply by 4 and then divide by 4. I add 3 to each side and I get 35 equals b. So my y-intercept is 35. If I had chosen the other value to use, I could have, so we're going to erase this here. I could have chosen this point and used y as 29 and x as 8. 29 equals negative 3 over 4 times 8, which would give me negative 6. Negative 3 times 8 divided by 4 gives me negative 6 plus b. Then I add 6 to each side of the equation to get the b by itself, and I get 35 equals b. So I can use either of the 2 points that are on the line to find my b value, or my y-intercept. Therefore, the equation of this line is y equals negative 3 over 4x plus 35. And it looks like this when we graph it.